How to create an account in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this sign in page. Now, in order to create a new account, there are different options. Here, you can find Google, Facebook, and even Apple. So it's better you use Google because it's easy and later you can save up all your datas. So here I'm tapping on Google and select the account with which you want to create a new account. So after doing this, it will take some time. Now it will automatically set up your profile and later all the names will be transferred to. So you can easily set up your username and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.